Hey guys, Brian with Beastride DIY. I'm at Home Depot and I'm going to show you some of their 50% off deals and sales going on right now. So they have these Adirondack chairs. This one's $14, it was $29. So these are some half off deals. They have them in red and blue, as well as this kind of desert storm color. It looks like they have a lot of good deals on some outdoor furniture and items. This is a $10 smaller chair here. It was $19, it looks like. But I'm going to go ahead and back up and give you a picture. They do have quite a few of these, and this is their end of the season savings deals. So $374, it was $749 on this Glenridge Falls dining set. So it's a 7-piece set, so you're getting the table as well as the chairs, it looks like, which is a pretty good deal. And I wonder if the items on the floor are the only ones they have, just because there was a table right behind me that had a sold sticker on it. Now for $199, it was $479. Says it's a Summerfield Hampton Bay gas fire pit. It's a 44-inch fire pit. And then for $129, it was $179, so $50 of savings on this coffee table. It's a 35-inch woven accent coffee table from Hampton Bay. And let me know your thoughts on these deals in the comments. Let me know if you think they're just inflated or if they're actually good. So for $44 is this Stylewell stackable wicker chair. $149 was $219 is this 30-inch cross ridge gas fire pit. And this is from Hampton Bay. It's a Labor Day savings deal. Now $100 off at $399 is this Loco 2-burner gas grill. I've seen more of these at Home Depot. I can't remember if I've seen them at Lowe's before, but now for $150, this is half off on this grill gazebo. So I'm guessing this is supposed to kind of cover your grill. They've got this vented top here, so you don't have to worry about smoke, maybe burning or getting caught in the top there. It looks like it's 8 feet tall. Now for $59, this is half off, is this smoky glass rectangular table. I used to have one of these. I can't remember what I paid for, but it was at least a decade ago, so I'm assuming it's a lot less. Now for $49 is half off. It's this 42-inch circular table here. They didn't have a picture, but they had a drawing on the box. This is a 42-inch slat dining table for $69, so this is half off as well. This is from that Stylewell brand. It's a 42 by 42 inch. Now for $111, it was $159. This is a metal glider. You can put this like on your porch or patio. From the box, it looks like it's Hampton Bay. And they also had a lot of outdoor carpets, which were half off, kind of in the range of $30 to $40, which is not a bad deal for like a 5x7. Now for $69, they had this woven coffee table. Now at $483, they were $18. These are some roasting logs. They're saying perfect for s'mores, say if you want to do a bonfire before school starts this year. Now this is for $91. This is a Toro electric blower. It was $129, but this is the side view of it here. For $149, this is $30 off. It was $179. Is this 18-volt lopper tool. So if you need to cut some branches, this could be something you can use. It is Ryobi. Ryobi also had this 18-volt 280 CFM jet fan blower for $100, so you're saving $59 here. Saying it reaches speeds up to 100 miles per hour with the blowing. Now for $154, it was $219, is this 18-volt brushless 10-inch chainsaw. It's an 8-inch chainsaw here, and this is a top-down view of what it looks like. Now right over here to the left, we've also got this $154, it was $219. It's this 600 CFM blower. It is the tool only, so keep that in mind. It does have a brushless motor though, it looks like. Now for $90, this is half off. It was $179. Is this 40-volt 525 CFM blower. And this is what this looks like. It does have the nice elevated handle, so I do like that. And this is a Labor Day savings deal. It was $199, it was $259. It's a 40-volt HP 14-inch brushless chainsaw kit. Comes with the 4 amp hour battery, charger, and the tool. Now this is a savings of about $20. This is a trimmer tool. It's a 40-volt tool, and then you've got the $90 tool, which says it was $179, which is a pretty good deal at half off. Now, making my way over to the tool section, these are some lamps. They were half off. Looks like they were about $20 to $30. They're currently at $9, $10, and they're pretty modern looking. They look decent. Right above them are the shades, so don't forget to pick those up as well. Now this is a Ryobi vacuum. It's a stick brushless vacuum at $199. It was $249. So this looks like it's spanning down on it here. This looks like it was made for pets with the dog or the puppy on the box here. It's got a 3-year warranty as well. Now this is the Milwaukee Packout tool here, or the chest, rolling tool chest. It's $199. It was $229. So this is a large chest. I'm going to go ahead and open it up here for you. You can see all the space there. You've got the little extra tool carrier portion on the top there, which you can put the smaller tools in. And this is some of their Milwaukee tool chest deals for $39, $10 off is the Packout organizer, $99 for the XL toolbox, $139 for the 22-inch, and then $159. It's $20 off on their 3-drawer 22-inch toolbox. Now these are some new items, not necessarily closeout items, but this is a magnetic little tool holder for the Packout. And then you've got this little compartment here which clips in for the Packout as well. This is $24.98. Now from Husky is this, it's $179, it was $219, is this 3-tier steel industrial shelf. Now this is great if you have a garage. This is going to be super heavy duty. You can see that you can put the larger items on the bottom there. It has a nice medium shelf. It says it has a weight capacity of 7,500 pounds. Now from DeWalt, they had their storage solutions here. So for $74, you get the 2.0 3-drawer toolbox. The tough system was $149, and then $109 it was $119 for their large mobile toolbox, and then you're going to save $10 on their medium toolbox here. And then for $129 is their 2-drawer toolbox of the tough system. And I'll show you that one in just a sec here. So they're marking a lot of these as new. I've seen some of these before, but they're newer. I really like how this opens. It has like a very nice slick opening, and then it has the double click when you pull the lever there. So this is their adjustable work light. It's the tool only for $199. Now I really like the rigid boxes. These are my favorite. So this is the 2.0 gear rolling handle, and you can basically clip on the boxes and stack them up on this. So this is $24. This is actually half off. It was $49, and you're getting a lifetime warranty on these rigid items. So this is this is $39. I think this is their medium toolbox. And I really like how it has these side handles as well. And then the top handle, it just feels very sturdy, and it's got that kind of rubber on it. So this is $10 off. This is their 2.0 Pro Gear medium toolbox. And then up to the left here is their smaller toolbox, which it still feels like it's a pretty decent size. It's $10 off at $29. I'm going to lift this up and kind of show it to you. It just reminds me of like a marine type cargo toolbox or something like that. And then right below it here, they have these 18-volt 2.8 amp hour battery starter kits. So you're getting the charger and the battery here. That's what this looks like. And then for DeWalt, you're getting the 4 amp hour 2 batteries for $99. It was $129. And DeWalt has these measuring tapes which have a LED light as well. So for $29, you're getting about $5 off. They were $34. And this is a close-up of that. Now Milwaukee, they have some deals too. We're going to be getting a free battery. So the top section, when you buy one of these tools, you're going to be getting this free red lithium 8 amp hour battery value pack. And then when you buy one of these tools on the bottom here, I'm going to show you a little bit closer, but for $159 you get the 5 amp hour battery pack. And this is a little close-up of those tools. Now this is the DeWalt 12-inch double bevel miter saw. It was $649. You're saving $100, bring it to $549. I'm not sure I would have paid the $649. That just seems a little high, but and then you're going to get this free battery from Milwaukee when you buy one of these tools, the hacksaw or the impact wrench for $299. DeWalt has some deals as well. Their special buy though for the kit is a $3.99 4-tool kit with two 4-amp hour batteries. And then these are some of the other deals they have. From Ryobi, this is the 18-volt brushless 4.5 angle grinder cutoff tool for $109. You're saving $30 on that. These are some of the other Milwaukee deals they had out front. 8-piece shockwave impact set, saving about $10. And then for $19, you're saving about $6 on their driver bit set. You're going to save $20 on these deals for Milwaukee. It's the D-handle rotary hammer or the SDS Plus rotary hammer kit for $199, but it's going to be $179 with the deal. Now you're going to get this M18 battery for free, which is a $199 value when you buy one of these higher end products like the rotary hammer or the rotary hammer 1-key tool. Rigid, they come at it again. This is a great deal from their drill driver circular saw kit for $171. It was $189. So that's a pretty good deal on a fairly lower priced item there. From Milwaukee, you're going to get this free battery when you buy one of these tools, which is the high friction impact wrench, the 2-tool combo set, the 12-amp hour battery pack, wet dry vacuum, paddle switch, grinder, or reciprocating saw. Now from Ryobi 1, you get this 2-amp hour battery pack. It's 2 batteries for $99 with a 3-year warranty. And then right above it here, they did have some deals like for $59, you can choose one of these tools. It looks like the light angle grinder. And then for $89, you can get one of these, which is like the blower, 6-port fast charger. $99, they have some of the higher end tools like the drill driver multi-tool kit. And for $159, they have the 4-tool kit. All right, so this is the first clearance section. There's 2 clearance sections I'm going to show you. This is the Milwaukee, it's like their Stanley or their pack out basically for $33. The benefit of this is at the bottom, you can kind of screw it onto their pack out and it's not going to fall over, I believe. Now up top, they did have some framing angles, mending plates, and these are some sanding pads, it looks like, for $19. They did have this bandsaw for $180. It didn't say what the original, oh yeah, it was $229. Milwaukee has some gloves for half off for $254. Looks like they were over $4, and then they have their leather gloves for $19. Rigid had for $159. Their pneumatic coiling roof nailer was $219, and then their framing nailer is $30 off at $259, that silver color. Now here's the second clearance section. This one was a little bit more stocked. So they had the Ryobi 120 watt power inverter for $49.97. And then for $199, they had their 1000 watt inverter. So this one has all the items you need to hook it up to your vehicle to provide power. They had some cleaning supplies like some cleaning vinegar, paint stripper, and then a Kohler faucet for $129. I'm not sure what the regular price on that was. I thought it could be a little bit lower though. They had some saw blades, $5.97 for an Avanti blade, $14 for this blue one here, and then a rigid tile blade for $34. It's a 7-inch blade, and then this all-purpose 14-inch large blade for $109. That's from Rigid as well here. If you made it this far in the video, guys, go ahead and like the video. And this looks like some soundproofing from the Encore brand under like vinyl plank floors. It did feel fairly thick, so that is a plus. It's 59 cents per square foot on that item. And then these are some hinges for $803. These are half off. This says this is self-closing with adjustable tension. Now these are some Moen faucets for $55. They were $72. It looks like they're a dual faucet system. And right to the left of it, for $23 was this AquaCare one, which I didn't really know that brand, but they did have some toilets as well for American Standard for $159, so you're saving about $40 there on the Rumsfeld line from that. And then they had this one, which is a Glacier Bay for $82, which was $99, so a little bit of savings there. I want to go ahead and ask you to check out this next video, guys. If you're just curious about the Lowe's Halloween decorations, I make a whole video of all the decorations from Halloween at Lowe's if you want to check that out.